Hello everyone, today we have this Asus H61 motherboard. It is not turning on, so let's check. After sorting power terminals, we can see that 12-volt LED of diagnostic card turns on and shuts off immediately. It means there is shorting in motherboard. So let's remove VRM power supply and check once again. Okay, now after sorting power terminals, we can see that all the power LEDs are glowing, so it means that there is shorting in VRM section. So let's check it under microscope. So in VRM section we can find that upper MOSFET and lower MOSFET. So we are going to check shorting in the MOSFETs. So here we can see that in after keeping multimeter in beep range and placing one probe on gate terminal and one probe on source terminal, we don't get a beep. So those MOSFETs are good one. Like this we are checking one by one MOSFETs for short. Okay, now the gate terminal and source terminal of this MOSFET is giving beep. Since this MOSFET is short, so we are going to remove this MOSFET. Now I am applying some flux. With use of hot air gun, I am going to remove this MOSFET and change it. Okay, before that there are two MOSFETs below, which are known as bottom MOSFET. The gate terminal of both the MOSFET is giving beep with each other, and source and drain terminal also. It means these two MOSFETs are in parallel. So I am going to remove one MOSFET from there and going to place as a upper MOSFET. Now I am adding flux to that MOSFET, bottom MOSFET, so that I can replace it with upper MOSFET. Now I am using hot air gun to remove this MOSFET, upper MOSFET, which is short one. Okay, now we have removed the short MOSFET. So we are going to remove another MOSFET, so we can place that in. Okay, we have removed that MOSFET. Now we are going to place that MOSFET into upper MOSFET. Before that we have to check the previous the shorted MOSFET, which was the MOSFET which was showing short on motherboard. For we will check that one. Before checking MOSFET, short all terminals of MOSFET so we can check it properly. Otherwise sometimes it will show as a short but it is not short. Okay, now after placing one probe on gate and source terminal, it is giving beep. It means that it is shorted one. Now we will place another MOSFET. If you find any shorted MOSFET and you don't have a replacement MOSFET for that, then you can refer the datasheet of that MOSFET, and you can use another MOSFET which matches with all the parameters of that MOSFET. I have removed this MOSFET from here and placed into there. So now we will check whether we have removed the short or not. I have connected the VRM supply. Now we will see board is turning on or not. Okay, so all the LEDs are of diagnostic card are blinking, so we have removed the short successfully. But this board have still problem, which we will solve in further video.